Turumpo asitiyak hitiyat වැඩක් නැත නැත්තම් කරන්න සෙල්ලමක් මං ඉල්ලමක් උනත් ඉල්ලන්නේ එක පරයි නැත්තම් දාන්නේ පිල්ලමක් මම පාට කරේ මම තනියෙන් එකයි උනේ මල් ලස්සන සිත්තමක් දැන් වටින් ගොඩින් කට්ටිය කියන්නේ අද උඹ මර චරිතයක් කොම චරිතයක් උනේ නිකන් නෙවෙයි මම ගැලුවා මගේ මහත් මම ඉදිලුනේ
Great connection.
මගේ
It was short, but he picked up the length really well and just put it in the night sky and let the brick.
Another shot bar that's gone up in the air for another. That's into the gap. Wales struck from.
And he finds again on this occasion. It's gone up a long way. We'll take some catching kick for a start. No, it should be. Travelling in the air. Carry on. No. Oh, you wouldn't believe it. You just wouldn't credit it.
Against Bobby.
Tarek finds the man in the deep. No.
Picked up the length very quickly. Manaliava at the boundary. Looked like he was in with a chance. Just over it.
Last 11 innings. Up in the air. And fine.
Driven beautifully through the past 5 overs. 61 runs. And Adam
Wonderful shot this touching so far. This time down the ground. Has he got enough of it? Just off.
Is it going to be another scholarship?
And it is.
Just about. You see. 18 balls.
Need a wicket desperately. And that will just... that is really down the ground. Got the minute in that.